everyone, Yoda the dog here, actually Chef Yoda the dog here. Happy Easter! My mom, as promised, is bringing you her ham recipe, but instead of the slow cooker, she decided to use the Instant Pot. So that'll be interesting for you to watch the video, but she forgot to show her taking the ham out of the Instant Pot when it was done, but she did get a picture of what it looks like at the end with the glaze poured over it, and it was so good. Really good ham and very sweet. And it was the perfect temperature. So what happened was, what you'll see in the video, how long she said to cook it, she didn't know. The recipe did not tell her to take the sling that she made out of foil out of the Instant Pot before you close it and lock it. So it didn't reach full pressure the first time through. So she had to take the sling out, put it back on for 5 more minutes, and then let it natural release for 15 minutes, and then quick release the rest of the way, and that cooked it perfectly. So if she'd done it the right way the first time and not had the sling left in the Instant Pot, and you'll see what we mean, then I think it would have been fine exactly as the recipe is written, which she got that recipe from amindfulmom.com, so we'll put a link to that below on how to cook your ham in the Instant Pot. It's 2 minutes per pound plus 10 minutes if you're wrapping it in foil, which we highly recommend, and then a natural release for 15 minutes before you quick release. So that's what we did, but also she found a Glaze recipe on All Recipes Dinner Spinner app, so we'll put the link to that glaze she used below as well. She did half the recipe because our ham was about half the size of the one in that Glaze recipe. But it turned out amazing, and she'll show you what ingredients she used. But I was very happy with this Easter meal and all of the things that fell on the floor. It was delicious. There was some mac and cheese. There was some bread. I love bread. There was ham. There were beans. There was salad. I don't really enjoy the beans or the salad, but I really liked the ham and the breads and the cheese, the mac and cheese. Anyway, I hope you all had a happy Easter. I haven't seen any peanut butter eggs yet, but maybe they're coming later on this afternoon. It has been raining. But hope you guys had a happy Easter with your family and give this recipe a try. Watch my mom, Yoda the dog, out.
All right, like Yoda said, we're making a ham, and we're making it in the Instant Pot. So it is already smoked, pre-cooked ham from Sam's, no bone. And we are going to use this glaze on it that I got off of All Recipes app, Dinner Spinner app. So I'll link that below. But we have got, I'm doing half the recipe because my ham is not as big. So we're doing 1/4 cup of organic coconut sugar. So it's brown sugar basically. We're doing 1/4 cup of organic amber coconut nectar instead of honey. We're doing a tablespoon of organic cocoa aminos instead of soy sauce, a tablespoon of liquid smoke, and then a dash of ground clove. So that's what's in here. We're going to pour it over the ham. Okay, I've poured the glaze over the ham. We're going to seal it up with foil and use this foil sling to put it down into the Instant Pot. And let me show you. The Instant Pot has a trivet in there with 1.5 cups of water because we have an 8-quart Instant Pot. If you had a 6-quart, you could just do a cup of water. So we're going to wrap the ham tightly in the foil, and we're going to put it down in there with the sling, the foil sling we made. And then we're going to cook it for 2 minutes per pound plus 10 minutes because it's wrapped in foil. So this is about a little over 3 pounds. So we're going to cook it for 16, 17 minutes, somewhere around there. And then you have to let it natural release for 15 minutes, and then you quick release the rest. Oh, sorry. My ham has been lowered down in with my sling. It's covered in foil. We're ready to seal it up and start the cooking process. About 17 minutes for this 3.5 pound ham.